Welcome to Sharon Lindsay Yoga and Wellbeing. This is a 15-minute yoga practice to reset your body, mind and nervous system. Please listen to your body and modify the practice if you need to. We'll begin standing with our feet hip-width apart and parallel to each other. Feel the soles of your feet on the earth. Your legs gently engaged with your kneecaps lifting, your pelvis in a neutral position, spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Focusing on your breath. As you breathe in, you feel your tummy and ribcage gently expand. As you breathe out, your tummy and ribcage gently softens. Allow the breath to slow down, your gaze to soften, or perhaps your eyes close. Then step your feet a little bit apart with your arms relaxed by your side. And just rotate your hips, swinging them from side to side, allowing the arms to follow like a helicopter blade. The head just following along naturally. The arms are loose. Tension just flicking away from the shoulders. Then slow it down and make your way back to stillness. Bring your feet hip-width apart again. Just notice the sensations in your body. With a flat hand, begin rubbing your collarbone 10 times and then tap your collarbone. Then move to the other side, rubbing first and then tapping 10 times. Wakening the lymph glands, then rubbing just behind your ear, the joint of the jaw beneath the ear, rubbing 10 times on both sides and then tapping 10 times. Begin rubbing under one armpit and then tapping under that armpit and then repeat on the other side. Just working our way through the various lymph areas, stimulating the lymphatic system. Now begin rubbing the abdomen up and down 10 times and then tapping with your palms. Now moving into the groin, rubbing both sides 10 times and then tapping. And then rubbing behind the knees and tapping. And then come back to stillness. Feet hip-width apart and begin bouncing the heels up and down. The toes don't leave the earth. Balls of the feet don't leave the earth. The upper body's relaxed. Just gently bouncing the feet or the heels up and down. And then come to stillness, noticing how you feel. Now we're going to turn our feet slightly out, the heels coming in. The feet are about mat width, and then sink the hips down beneath the ankles if you can. Then straighten the legs to forward fold. Exhale, move back into your squat. Inhale, forward fold. And continue in your own time, moving from this squat to a forward fold. And then make your way onto your hands and knees. Wrists beneath shoulders, knees beneath hips. Begin to circle the hips and the upper back in a figure of 8 motion. There's no right or wrong, just flow in your own way. Maybe reverse the directions. And then come back to stillness. Then we'll widen the knees, bring the big toes together, sit back on your heels. And then bring your hips forward, just rocking backwards and forwards in your own time. Stretching into the hips. Perhaps you notice you're going a little deeper each time. Just allowing the hips and inner thighs to gently waken. Then sit back on your heels, fold all the way forward. Perhaps your forehead reaches the earth, arms reaching out in front as you lengthen your spine into an extended child's pose. And then slowly come back up and make your way to a comfortable seated position, perhaps sitting on a block or a cushion. Extend your left arm alongside the ear and then lengthen the body over to the right side for a side bend. Gaze towards the sky. Feel that length in the left side of the body. And feel the breath, slow and deep. And then come back up to center and bring your arm back down. The right arm comes alongside the ear as you lengthen over to the left. Your left hand can support you as you gaze to the sky, breathing into those right ribs. And then slowly come back up to center. Remove your block or cushion if you have one and make your way to lying on your back with your knees bent, feet on the earth, hip width apart. Then step your feet to the edges of your mat and allow the knees to fall from one side to the other. If you like, you can extend your arms like a cactus with your hands overhead, your elbows in line with your shoulders. Allow the knees to keep flowing from side to side, loosening up those hips. Then bringing the knees back to stillness. arms back down by your sides, and step the feet hip width apart. Reach down with your fingers, check that you can touch your heels, and as you exhale, flatten your low back onto the earth and peel your pelvis off the ground, lifting your hips to the sky. Exhale, roll down the spine. Take a breath in, and on your next exhale, lift up again, pressing the knees forward. Take a breath, and then exhale to roll down the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Continue in your own time, inhaling before you exhale to lift. Inhaling at the top and then exhaling to roll down the spine. And then come to stillness. Hug your knees to your chest and rock gently from side to side. Then with the knees close to the chest, bring both knees over to the left side of the mat, coming into a spinal twist. Your head looking the opposite way. And bring the knees back to center, and then exhale to bring the knees over to the right side as your head turns to the left. Bring the knees back to center. Your arms by your side. And then bring the knees towards your armpits, keeping the knees bent, and see if you can take hold of your feet, or if not, take hold of the backs of the thighs. Your feet and knees are wide for happy baby pose. Then slowly bring the feet towards each other, the hands release and the feet lower slowly to the earth. Extend one leg long and then the other. The arms relax by the sides, shoulders away from the ears. Take a breath in and let it go. your fingers and toes. If you like, you can extend your arms overhead, stretching the body long. Bring your knees to your chest, if you like, and then either roll onto one side or rock back and forth, rocking up and down the spine. Rocking up to sitting, coming to a comfortable seat. Thank you for joining me today. Allow a smile to come to your face and take this peace with you into your day.